I'm Glen. I'm a Senior Research Fellow at QAAFI, and most of my research is looking at cereal quality and value-adding cereals in the food industry. There's different ways we identify and work with our partners. Sometimes we're engaged with the government, or they come and engage with us about a specific research activity. But sometimes businesses target us because of the high-level research we do. They know that we can deliver the outcomes that they need in either processing or product development for their particular industry. It is competitive, and this is where we try to ensure that we remain competitive through capacity building, but also having the highest level science that's available in Australia. Often the simplest outcomes are better processes for the company, which obviously would save them money. But one big aspect is capacity building. Over the last decade or so, we seem to have lost capacity in cereal and food science in Australia. And I think companies now are realising that they need to support that and build up capacity back in Australia. So that's another aspect that we have, is this capacity building and training PhDs and master's students, and even bringing industry people in and training them. We export most of our agricultural commodities to overseas countries, so we have to understand the markets in those countries, that the foods and the raw materials they're using. So we have to bring that back to Australia and understand how we apply that in Australia. We're a small user of our own commodities, and most of those are mirrored with the products in those countries, but sometimes they're specialised products. And we do work with countries in particular using our raw materials and developing products or enhancing the raw materials to fit those novel products in those countries.